Installation tutorial of the 5:1 Smart Base. First, open the packaging box. The accessories include 1 manual, remote control adapter, power cord, emergency power cord, dry batteries. Second, new bed legs. Third, LED sensors. Fourth, the mattress lever. Fifth, the smart base and bed frame connection key. Smart base frame structure fixing parts. The first step is to install the bed feet. Tighten the bed feet. The second step is to install the sensor. Insert the signal line of the induction light into the main control box. Insert the clamp into the middle of the bed leg. And make the sensing head centered and outward. Tidy up and clip the excess wires into the pre-drilled wire card. Repeat the operation on the other side. Install the fixings in the middle of both sides. After installation, turn over the electric bed. The third step is to install the mattress lever. Insert the mattress lever into the mounting hole. Note that the width of the rod at the end is wider than that at the head. Insert the battery into the remote control. Note the positive and negative holes. Installation completed. Power on and test. The fourth step is that if you buy a Stareep bed frame, you need to install the smart base and bed frame connector. Install two sets at the head and foot of the bed.